fluids down here and oh, boom! Oh, don't do that. We're here ready for the road test on the 51 Cadillac. Dad, what'd you do to it?
Well, since I got it, very little really. It was in pretty good shape, but I did, it had an oil leak around the valve cover, so I replaced the valve cover gaskets, and that seems to have stopped that problem. Yeah, just been sort of sprucing it up a little bit, you know. It's a runner. It's got a 69 327 small block Chevy in it instead of the original 331 Cadillac motor. And that seems to run pretty good. It's got gnarly exhaust. It's got a stance that, you know, to die for. It's a pretty gnarly looking stance. It's a lowrider, and it's a cool looking car. I like it. So we're going to take it out and see how she does out on the highway, you know, rolling low out there.
Shakedown.
A shakedown, yes, indeed. Absolutely.
Yeah.
So,
cool.
Yeah, we love our caddies.
Sounds even louder than I remember. Cadillac runs good. We just took it down here for a couple miles down this dirt road, and it is running strong. Engine seems perfect, brakes work good, turns good, suspension is good. It obviously sits a little bit low, so you drag on some bumps, but besides that, the thing is nice and peppy.
Will it do a burnout?
Oh yeah. Good. Yeah, hop in. I'll tell you more about it. Neighbors probably don't love it. The headers have holes in them and they're not hooked up very well. So it's loud. Really, really loud. But it floats down this dirt road nice and cushy. I mean, man, this is a solid running car. It looks a lot more rat rod from the outside than it actually feels to drive. It feels mechanically sound as can be. I'll tell you. Nice and peppy. This 327 purrs like a kitten. Sounds good. Yeah, sounds really good. Time to tuck her back in. Good ride. That was a good shakedown. That's an absolute success.
I should think so.
We might have a little bit of a scrape happening here, but actually, should I back in or not?
No, go for it.
Okay.
Pull up in front of the fence over there.
Okay. Ah.
It's made for it.
Yeah.
There'll be a scrape.
Beep.
Ooh. Comes with the territory.
There you go. Now let's just try not to let the grass on fire. Bingo, dingo. Woo!
Wait.
Oh.
Start it up again. Let's get a couple of those. Let's get a couple of revs. What do you say?
Success. I gotta have me one of these.
It's in the rat rod mode right now.
Right. If you're looking for a rat rod Cadillac, give us a buzz. Drop a comment below.
Yeah. Somebody's going to end up with a really good car there.
Make an offer.
I think they'd be the envy of the neighborhood, of the hood, wherever they are.
Yeah.
Right?
The hood is right. Yeah. Good. Well, next week we're going to have an update on the Mustang Fastback, the shell after it got acid dipped, and also the engine build. So stay tuned for that coming next week.